Even if you're not in a regulated industry, compliance is at the heart of manufacturing quality control. At InfinityQS, when our clients talk to us about compliance, they're concerned about three key elements. First, data compliance. Are my data values good? Do I see any statistical anomalies? Second, data collection compliance. Have we performed our required checks on time, every time? And third, response compliance. If we find something out of specification, are we recording that event properly? Are we documenting the cause and how it was addressed? When you move quality management to the cloud, you greatly simplify this essential level of compliance. Legacy quality management systems that rely on paper checklists, or even siloed software and spreadsheets prevent you from seeing what's really happening in your operations. At the end of the day, can you prove that all the time checks really happened when the checklist says they did? When your data is in the cloud, you can. With Enact by InfinityQS, it enables you to schedule your data checks, provide automated reminders and get alerts if a check is missed, and document issues and corrective actions. And best of all, you can see all of this happening in real time. Having your quality software in the cloud truly transforms the way you handle your internal manufacturing compliance.